Hi guys, welcome back to DIY with Pragya. I'm so excited for today's video because I'm going to start a new series, Macrame series. I've asked you guys on Instagram if you would like me to start a series on macrame because I have seen that you guys love macrame and I'm so excited to start this. So the first video is going to be a macrame mirror. A few days earlier I have posted some inspiration pictures on my Instagram asking you about that if you guys would like to see an easy DIY on how to recreate this beautiful macrame mirrors, and you guys seem to love it. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Okay, the supplies that you will need for this macrame mirror is some macrame cord. Obviously, here I am using a 2mm cotton twisted macrame cord. You can use a macrame as per your liking. There is no hard and fast rule in this. A round mirror and a ring. Make sure that the ring is a bit smaller than the mirror. You will know why later. And to give it a more finished look in the end, I have this MDF cardboard in the exact size of the mirror. You can also use a cardboard instead of this. Next, I am going to cut the macrame cord in 30 inches long. Although make sure that you cut the cords in the multiple of 5 because we are going to work with 5 cords at a time. Now just fold the cords in half and knot it on the ring as reverse lark's head knot. It's pretty easy, just follow me through this video. All you have to do is place the cord below the ring and pull the excess through it. After attaching all the cords to the ring, now we'll start with knotting the patterns. As I said earlier, we will work with 5 cords at a time, and which means 10 strands. I have already made one petal just to show you and give you an idea how it will look. Now I'll show you how to do it. So first I'll leave the extreme left and the extreme right strand from these 10 strands, and now I'll work the middle ones. First I'm going to make a square knot. For a square knot, all you need is 4 strands. Make an inverted 4 from the extreme right strand and pull the extreme left strand through it. I'll make another square knot in the middle, giving it a triangular shape. Next, we will work with these left out cords and start making double half hitch knots. It's pretty simple. All you have to do is take the extreme left cord, which will work as our anchor cord, and then make a simple knot using these left out strands. I have explained it more thoroughly in one of my previous videos on macrame coaster. I'll link it down in the description. You should definitely watch it for a better understanding. And after this, we'll do the same from the right anchor cord and repeat the process one more time, and we are done with the pattern. Now to hold these two petals together, I am going to make a square knot in the middle. After completing the whole circle, this is how it looks. Now I will cut the excess cords. I am going for a chevron kind of pattern along with the petals. You can also cut it in a circular shape as well. Next step would be to unravel the cords and give it a nice brush and give it a final finishing touch. And here's a pro tip. I am going to spray a generous amount of hairspray on these threads so that the shape is intact while we hang this on the wall. After this, just wait for some time to let it dry, and then we are going to attach it to the mirror with some hot glue gun. Now I'm going to finish it off with attaching this MDF cardboard, and to hang this mirror I'm going to attach this macrame, and we are done. Alright guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I know sometimes macrame can be a little bit, seem to be difficult. So if you guys find any difficulty, please comment down in the comment section below, or you can DM me on Instagram as well. I will try my best to help you guys out of it. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you like my content. And yes, this series is going to be a 5-part series. The first one was the macrame mirror, which I showed to you today, and the next is going to be a macrame wall hanging. So stay tuned. Meet you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.